Comprehensive Dental Care, the sponsor of this segment, is offering an alternative to dentures through Hybridge, a life-changing smile solution. And here to share more with us, we have Dr. Greg Hendrickson joining us. Thanks for being here.
Thanks, Jillian. It's a pleasure to be here.
Yeah, so let's talk a little bit about comprehensive dental care and the work that you do.
So we are our practice is limited to implant dentistry. We have a general dentistry practice next door, but all we do are implants, and the demand is great. People realize that missing teeth aren't good, and implants are the perfect solution for that for patients.
Yeah, so let's talk about these implants. Let's talk about Hybridge, which is what you offer. Can you tell me a little bit about how that differs from others that are on the market?
So Hybridge has been around for over 20 years, and it was started by a dentist, and it's still run by the same dentist. It's the perfect solution for patients. I always talk to patients that implant dentistry is engineering, bioengineering, and dentistry, all three sciences combined. Mm-hmm. And we have to pay attention to those, because it's, a lot of people just stress, well, we'll just put these teeth on top of the implants. And the big product out there today is zirconia, and a lot of people offer lifetime warranty on the zirconia, because in reality it's like granite, it's hard as rock, and it doesn't break. The problem is that it's not very friendly to the implants, and we see a lot more bone loss around the implants with that product, whereas Hybridge is built to actually help stimulate the bone. Mm-hmm. as well. And so I have patients that have been in their Hybridge for over 10 years, and the implants just look perfect. The gum tissue looks perfect. So it's important that we have a healthy foundation to start with, and then it matters what we put on top of those implants.
Yeah, and it really sounds like this is life-changing, and your smile can really affect everything about you. Has the response been incredible from patients who use Hybridge?
Oh, patients just love it. And once we put it in their mouth, they forget about it. It's like their natural teeth again. And they come in twice a year for checkups. The beauty of Hybridge is it's designed to be more hygienic, so it never has to come out of the patient's mouth. Mm-hmm. Once it's put in there, they care for it, we check on it, it's wonderful. It's a beautiful product, and patients just absolutely love it.
And if patients are coming in for implants, they might have cracked or missing teeth, but also they get to leave with a beautiful smile, so the aesthetic of it is also something to look forward to as well, right?
Yeah, people who haven't smiled in years. In fact, we just delivered a case yesterday for a patient, and she was always walking around and covering her mouth, and she was walking out, and I watched her walk by some of the windows at our practice, and she's just kind of like, oh, catch a smile, catch a glimpse of her beautiful new smile. And it's a wonderful thing. It really is, to give people their life back.
Absolutely. Changing lives one smile at a time. I love it. Thank you so much for coming in and all the work that you do. This is really incredible. And thank you to Comprehensive Dental Implant Center for sponsoring this segment. You can visit them at 2780 West Horizon Ridge Parkway. That's Suite 20 in Henderson. Give them a call at 702-728-3102 or visit nvimplantcenter.com.